carry back, she for me to see no. What do you carry? Hey, we go to Miami, living la vida loca. La vida loca. I go to
bàbá mi hello. Ilé níyàn gbé fún pé ayé lo. Bàbá Agbero wetin dey la. Bàbá Sasu fresh. Hello. How are you? Fine o bàbá Agbero ṣẹlẹ̀. Well done. Na we dey repair this road, you understand? You know as government no dey do anything. So and next year now they will come say make you vote for them, you understand? So now we dey repair, make you no spoil finish, you understand? So you go give us something.
Oh, the government appreciates you. The government really appreciates your effort.
Very, very well.
You should be government. You should be government appreciate. We say we appreciate them very, very well. Baba draw something for boy. Say they want me.
Well, the problem right now is I don't have cash. I don't have cash on me. Okay.
You don't get cash.
Yeah, I don't have cash.
You don't get like 1,000, 2,000.
I don't carry cash. As a cashless police, I don't carry cash.
And I check with that, and I just write check. Give where you go bank. Where you go cash.
Check. I'm sorry, I didn't come out with the pen. I used to write my check.
You don't come out with the pen.
I didn't come out with it.
So wait you want? No wahala. Okay, do transfer. May I give you account number? Do transfer.
The phone I used to do transfer is not here.
Which one is the phone they use to transfer?
You get something for us.
Okay, wait you want to do something for us now?
There's really nothing I can do for you.
Baba, may go ATM. May go
ATM. So I will go to the ATM because I want to give you 1,000 naira. I will drive down to the ATM because I want to.
No need.
If ATM no far, see that bank where they drain, I dare go withdraw. Just give us like 2,000, 5,000.
I'm sorry, I can't do that. There's money in my card, but I can't go to the ATM.
You get card?
I have my card. Yeah.
You get card for you?
Yeah.
Yellow.
Money.
No wahala. Press on.
Oh yeah. Take. Savings or current?